The P06DD code appears when the engine control module detects a problem with the engine oil pressure control circuit. In simple terms, this means the oil pressure system isn't operating correctly, which can lead to low oil pressure and engine damage. But why would this happen? The most common reason for a P06DD code is a failing engine oil pump. This pump is responsible for maintaining the right oil pressure throughout the engine. If it's malfunctioning or clogged, it can cause low oil pressure, triggering the code. The next possibility is a clogged or faulty oil filter. A restricted oil filter can limit oil flow, making the engine think there's a pressure issue when it's really just a blockage. Replacing the oil filter is a quick and easy way to rule this out. Now, if the oil level is too low or the oil is dirty, it can't properly lubricate the engine, leading to low oil pressure. Always check your oil level and condition first, because old or incorrect oil can also cause this code. Another possibility is a faulty oil pressure sensor. This sensor monitors oil pressure and sends data to the ECM. If it's malfunctioning, it can wrongly detect a low oil pressure issue even if there's nothing wrong. Damaged wiring or poor connections between the ECM and the oil pressure sensor can also cause the P06DD code. Broken wires or corroded connectors can interrupt the signal, making it seem like there's an oil pressure issue when there really isn't. If you get the P06DD code, don't ignore it. Low oil pressure can destroy your engine over time. Check your oil first and then move on to other possibilities.